Roofing news for April 11th, 2019. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and each day I go through hundreds of videos and articles so that you learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you know everything that's going on. And just below the video, I always put the links to the videos and the articles so that you can learn more if you need to. All right, the first one here from Roofing Insight, Dimitri. He has a great channel, has over 18,000 subscribers. He released a video on your customer response time. And a great tip he got that I thought was from Angie's List, Yelp, and Thumbtack. They measure your response time. The faster you respond to a customer, the better your business is going to do. So make sure no matter what you do, and he goes through these 5 tips. So it's definitely worth taking a look at. And, like always, the link is down below. And just a kind of a personal story from Atlas Roofing. They, Jennifer Sansone, an employee there, and they talk about how they built some homes, some veterans. So it's a great little story if you want to check that out. This is really great for you. The National Historic Boathouse. The roofer here gets $5,400 a square. And for a couple reasons. It's a federal project. And of course it's a 12/12 pitch. But the reason he got it, and you can check out the video to see, how they do the work and stuff. But it's a federal contract. So if you want to add a new revenue stream to your roofing business, you might want to check this out. GC Experts. I haven't researched it, so take a look at the video, see if that's something for you. But that could be something lucrative for you, a good federal contract. And if you need help with supplements, a couple videos were released. The first was from Inspection Estimate Supplements, and he talks about the importance of good videos and photos. And Joe Mallon at American Roof Supplements, he always gives great tips. And if you haven't already, make sure to go to his site. He gives out tons of free great information on supplements. You can take a look. Here he has like selling roofs, keeping track of your roofing company, how to order a roof from a supplier. So he gives you tons and tons of free information on getting more from supplements. And if you want to show your customers some scams, another scam, Warwick County, some roofers coming in and trying to scam residents, so you can take a look at that. And you want to be careful with your employees. Contractor indicted on manslaughter charges in workers' fatal fall from roof. So if you are worried about your security measures for your employees, you may want to take a look at this article. And here's kind of a geeky article on the roofing membrane market, but what might be real helpful for you is they show the key players in roofing membranes. So if you want to look around for other membrane products, take a look at this. And a little entertaining video. This is comes from ABC 10. They show live. It's just a 50-second video of how a roof was torn apart right there by a little dust devil. And this roofing news is sponsored by Roofing Webmaster. I am an authorized dealer. We've done well over 100 roofing websites. Nobody ranks roofing websites better than we do. We get Google to fall in love with your business. We are a full digital marketing agency, so if you need to do anything online, we can help you with pay-per-click, with reviews and your reputation, video, social media, mapping, and of course, we are really, really good at ranking for Google. So just feel free to give me a call. I just give out free information at 303-957-0651, 303-957-0651, and I will do what I can to help you get more leads. So make sure to subscribe, because I will do the news each day. And that is the roofing news for April 11th, 2019. And have yourself a great day. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.